Hello, my name is Jenny Holloway and I'm the CEO of Fashion Enter. We are an award-winning social enterprise and we're very unusual. We've got two aims. One is to make beautiful, ethical production, and secondly is to make sure that we are leading in technical skills today. We are a bona fide college. Just looking at the way fashion is manifesting itself at the moment, I don't think I've ever seen such a dramatic change. The industry, I think, is on a precipice like never before. And this has been very much driven by overproduction, overconsumption, and this race to the bottom of the glass for cheap garments. So we have long believed in ethical production. We have long believed in having a factory that is sustainable, that has been fully audited, and we look after our staff. You know, they are so important to us and the skills that they provide. However, we have seen a major decrease in production, and whilst that hurts, it's actually also the right thing to do. We have had a big increase on sampling and having small production that is made to demand, and that's why technology is now so important. We are blessed with having the Cornete technical printing capabilities here, the digital Presto, the Atlas Max, and this will allow us to make to order rather than this overconsumption model. So that is so important. We have to look at the way we are making garments, and the way we're going to do that is to actually look at the digital transformation that's taking place now. There is the opportunity for avatars to be created digitally. You can stand in front of a mirror, you can have the key body measurements taken, and you can design a garment that will fit your body shape. You can then change the colour, you can put the print in, and then we can make the physical sample. And that's where this major revolution is going to come through next. And what do we need to make all this happen? We need our marvellous stitchers. We need to bring in a new generation of people that have got brilliant stitching skills. We've long not respected the art of garment making, and that has got to change. We've had very successful upcycling and recycling shops, and to see people creating and making is wonderful. You know, it's great for your mental health, you're immersed, you're with like-minded people, and we will continue with that skills delivery. So it's all changing out there. I hope that people will embrace change, and please remember, Fashion Enter and its amazing team is here to support. Thank you.